All right, so we're going to use the calculator. They want it whatever I was doing last. Mode, and I'm in radians, so we'll just make sure. So we're going to use inverse cosine, and it's going to be -1/4. So there we go. Okay, so this is radians. It's going to be 1.8235. I did 4 decimals. All right, so what this means. Now, remember what we said in previous video that cosines, if it's an equation involving sines or cosines, I'm going to have 2 answers for the full revolution. So we need to figure that out. So I'm going to write in radians what these would be. This is 3.14. I need to get it where it's about that. 3.14 divided by 2. That's going to be my pi over 2. That's about a 1.57. And then let's do 3 pi divided by 2 as well. And that's about a 4.71. This is just going to help me figure out where they're at. All right, so this first answer is right here, right? It is that triangle, and this makes sense that it would be that because 1.8 is slightly past 1.5. So that's how I got that. So this tells me, okay, the inverse cosine, that's the triangle that I have right there. And I want where the cosine is going to be the same. So here's my cosine down here, and the same is going to be the triangle that's right underneath it. Right, I know they're not exactly the same, but we just need to figure out, we're gonna have to figure out some number stuff. Okay, 2 pi, that's gonna be, I'll just put it right here, 2 pi, right? So I want you to notice a couple things. So what I'm looking for now is I'm looking for this angle. And that's going to be my second answer to make sure I get 2 answers in one rotation. To figure that out, you can see that this angle right here is the same as the one above. So if I were to, this is my way, if I were to do that same there, I know it's off, but it's okay. That angle, this angle right here, let me do it in a different color because it's kind of hard to see. This angle here is the same as that one now. Those two are the same. So that angle there is the 1.8235. So what I'm going to do if I want to find the orange angle, okay, I'm going to do, okay, the angle wanted is going to be all the way around my 2 pi, and it's going to be minus, and then it's going to be the red. So minus the 1.8235. You can kind of see that the yellow and the red on my circle makes a full revolution. 2 pi's are full revolution. All right, so the second answer is going to be, right, I just go to my calculator again, and it's going to be 2 pi minus 1.8235. Maybe we actually should use I don't know why it's not typing. There we go. I'm gonna actually go up here and use the big decimal so I have more of an accurate answer. So it is about 4.4597. Okay, how I come up with my answers now is this is going to be plus 2 pi k plus 2 pi k. So one answer here and the other one there. So you have to find the second revolution. The best thing to do is to draw a picture. Don't memorize some formula, something like that. Draw the picture and look at it. I promise it's the best way to do it. You're not going to mess it up. You can mess this up pretty quickly because it's going to be different if it's a sine, or it's going to be different if it was in the other quadrants. So draw a picture and use your eyes to figure out the geometry involved.